everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hedi and I'm so happy that you guys are here. Today I'm gonna do a Whole Foods grocery haul. In total I spent $58.25. I'm going to start with vegetables. The first thing that I got from Whole Foods was this very massive cabbage. I'm gonna use it in my salad as well as my stir fry. The next thing that I got from Whole Foods was this Baby Bella organic mushroom. I'm gonna add this to an Alfredo sauce that I'm gonna be making. The next thing that I got from Whole Foods was this avocado. I usually get 1 or 2 avocados per week. I don't eat more than that. And I absolutely love avocados. Who doesn't? The next thing that I got was one of my favorite fruits in the whole entire world is this banana. I usually keep them in my bag or in my kitchen counter. So in case I get hungry, I just take one. Next thing that I got is this spring mix. I usually make sure to get one that has an expiration date that it's at least like 10 days or more. The other thing that I got from Whole Foods was these yellow squashes. These are great. I'm actually gonna add these to a pasta that I'm making. It's gonna be delicious, so stay tuned for that recipe as well. The next thing that I got is my favorite food in the whole entire world, blueberries. I absolutely love blueberries. I can eat a ridiculous amount in one sitting, but I get one of these per week. I also get packs and packs of frozen ones to add to my chia seed puddings or to add to my smoothies. The other thing that I got from Whole Foods for this week was these organic Pink Lady apples. They're absolutely great for on the go. The thing that I got was these green onions. I love green onions in pretty much every recipe. I can add them to anything, to a salad, to a stir fry, to a stew, anything, you name it, they're great. And they're really cheap. They're actually, I believe, $1.27, and they're absolutely delicious. This week I got leeks. I'm gonna add this to my stir fry. I absolutely love leeks. It's really good. It's very anti-inflammatory. Make a soup out of it. Oh, the soup is so delicious. But this week I'm gonna add this to my stir fry. The next thing that I got was this red onion. I'm going to add this to my salad as well as my stir fry. Next thing I got was this silken tofu. Now I don't usually like silken tofu, but I'm going to make an Alfredo sauce with this and it's going to be delicious. I either make Alfredo sauce out of cashews, but this week I'm gonna use tofu for that and we'll see how it turns out. The next thing that I got was this extra firm tofu. It has 9 grams of protein per serving and it has 4.5 servings per package. So it's high in protein and it's really, really cheap. These are organic tofu and it only costs $1.27, I believe. But really, really cheap and it can be used in a couple of different recipes. Next thing I got this soy tempeh. It has 16 grams of protein per serving and it has 2.5 servings per package. I'm actually going to add garlic and ginger and marinate it in coconut aminos, and we'll see how it's gonna turn out. Next thing I got is rice ramen. It's absolutely delicious and it only has 3 ingredients. It has organic brown rice flour, organic white rice flour, bamboo extract, and that's it. It's really, really easy to make recipes with this. I usually just add sauteed vegetables or stir fry, and this actually takes a minute to make. Super easy, super quick, very versatile. You can add anything that you wish and it's absolutely delicious. The next thing I got is this chickpea pasta. It's called banza. I absolutely love this one because I absolutely hate lentil bean pastas. They're super firm and I absolutely hate them, but these are really, really delicious. These are actually very soft. Texture in general is very familiar to normal pasta, so it's absolutely delicious and it's high in protein. It has 23 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, so it's absolutely delicious and good for you. And I got 2 of these. These were each $2.50, I believe. I got 2 different kinds. One is elbow, one is cavatappi. Oh my god. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, and it has 20 grams of protein compared to 13 grams of protein your normal pasta. So great. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my vegan Whole Foods grocery haul. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and in the comment down below, please let me know what your favorite food is. Mine is blueberries. Please let me know. I would love to get to know you better. Thank you so much and have a great day.